Alright guys, finally we are back. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. As we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, go and do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you gotta do is hit that little notification bell and it'll do exactly that. Alright guys, I'm not feeling the best. I haven't been feeling, you know, myself this entire week. That's why I haven't been, you know, consistent with the content. I've been, you know, kind of feeling like crap since Sunday morning, I want to say. Haven't been to work. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, but as you can see, I'm really not doing, you know, the best. But I did want to make this video today because we got a super important unboxing right now. As you can see, the shoes are piling up. I just haven't been able to do anything, man, but I had to get this video out. This is the package here. To the person who sent me this package, I've been super inspired by this guy. This guy has been nothing but genuine. He is a huge staple in this community, 100%. He took a shot and boy has he prospered, man. Huge shout out to you, John Geiger. Thank you so much, man. I've been you know, following this guy ever since, I guess, you know, social media was on back in 2016, right when he started, you know, messing around with the I first fell in love with the misplaced checks. I don't know if you guys are familiar with them, but here I'll give you a picture. You can check them out. He actually did this on his own. Customized a pair of Air Force Ones with some misplaced checks, and everybody went crazy over them. Back in 2017, when I was doing the butter movement, John Geiger actually reached out to me. We spoke a little bit, and he actually sent me a pair of 002s. I'll give you a picture of that right here as well. And I was, you know, off the wall for that, man. I'm like, me? I deserve this? That was when I was going to Hong Kong. I have that video. If you want to check out that video, the link is at the top of the screen. Now this is what, 6 years ago, 5 years ago, but man, John has grown, man, to the top, man. If you are not familiar with John Geiger, you guys better get familiar with John Geiger. His links to his Instagram will be in the description, as well as the website to pick up this shoe. But you ain't gonna be able to pick this up because they're sold out. And this was sent to me by John himself, man. I'm truly excited. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. He actually hit me up, you know, asking me for my address and my size, and I'm like, me for what, man? And I'm just at a loss for words, man. John, your whole team, thank you so much. I really am grateful, man. Seriously, I appreciate this. Woo! I'm so fucking hyped up. Oh, I can't. I feel like I could barely move, but this is making me move. There you go. Look at that. Fire. Oh, let's check out the sneaker. We got the GF01 by John Geiger. Yellow croc, pink calf hair. Oh, this is so fire. This is so fire, dude. Oh, man. The detailing, look at this guy. We're going to do a review and on foot, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel, man. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Wow, dude. All right, let me put this down real quick. All right, guys, here you have it, the GF01 John Geiger. These are insane. Look at that quad. Oh my goodness. Yo, John, thank you so much, man. I really, I'm at a loss for words, dude. The quality, oh my God. I cannot wait. We're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna do a full detailed review, a full on foot. So please make sure you stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. We are 60 subscribers away from 7,000. We just hit 7,000 over on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you click the link in the description. Also, we hit 7K over there this morning. I woke up to that. So we're growing, man. We're growing day by day. We are growing. People are starting to notice. Look at this outsole, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I am so hyped. Super hyped about this, man. I'm gonna say it again. John Geiger, thank you. Thank you so much to you, your team, to everybody involved in making this shoe, and especially you thinking of me to send this pair out to me personally. Like I said, I'm at a loss for words, man. But guys, make sure you stay tuned to the channel. This is going to be one of a kind review and on foot, and I cannot wait. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this video out for you guys today. Like I said, I'm really not feeling the best. I hope you guys can understand. I truly appreciate John, his team, everybody involved, like I said, making this shoe. Thank you guys so much, man. I really appreciate it, man. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.